little bit of Decon wash. All rims, big body, glass, exterior moldings, everything. Company vehicle with 200,000 miles. Let's see, yep, company car, 200,000 miles, beautiful. We just gave it a soap and water, basic car wash, and we gave it the first Decon wash. Wheel, glass, moldings, everything. Now we just play bar with the SM-Arnold reusable play bar. Awesome, amazing. You can feel the soft, the body, how soft the paint. It went from rough to super soft. It's got a lot of dings and dangs and scratches and stuff like that, but it's an amazing vehicle and very well kept. Actually, we're the second original owner of this vehicle, believe it or not. We're just doing a little bit of a tender loving care, using our product that we sell on a daily basis, 6 days a week. And believe it or not, a lot of people like it. A lot of professional detailers come over here. A lot of basic car wash guys come over here. A lot of pros, a lot of guys starting in the business. You know, I want to shout out to all the professional detailers out there that come over here and spend a couple dollars here and there, and you know, support the Wash and Shine marketplace family. And congratulations and shout out to all the guys that are studying this out and doing the best they can and trying to make a buck here and there. And actually some do make it, and like we have professional detailers out there making well over what, 2,000, 1,000 and up a week, just washing cars and detailing cars, and those guys are top notch. I want to congratulate those guys out there, certified detailers out there. And just thanks, man. Thanks to everybody and watching this, and shout out to everybody. Now what we're gonna do is our second video. You're gonna see what we're gonna do with one of the Car Candy's ceramic coating, which is, we just started selling it, and we just sold our first 2 bottles, and it's amazing what all these chemicals do. There's thousands of chemicals out there, and you know, there's a lot of name brands out there, but I gotta give everybody a shout out there, man. You know, heads up, you know, thumbs up, and we got some good stuff, man. Definitely good stuff. Like this Decon Iron Wash. Blow your mind. 32-ounce bottle. We're giving it away for just $10. Limited supply. And actually, we just sold our first 2 bottles yesterday when we got the shit, man. So thanks. We'll continue on doing a couple more videos on this, all right? Thank you. Okay, here we go. She's all dried up. Tires look good. We haven't siliconed the tires yet. We just decon the wheels. Looks nice. Look at those calipers. Look at those calipers. I think it's the first time doing that. I think nobody has ever done that kind of work to the vehicle. She's shine, but she's never been coated. She's never been waxed or compound or anything like that. I believe it's factory paint. It doesn't have these things here and there. You know, for 2006 or 2007, I think it is. It does have this little dings here and there. But let's go. Here we go. This is Car Candy Coat Protection for your sweet ride. Ceramic coating. Just spray it, and with a microfiber towel, just go to, you know, just go over it, and then with another microfiber towel, just finish the actual process. We're gonna give it a shot, and we'll see what we can do. to be really, really good stuff, man. I'll give you a second video in a little bit. I can tell you this much. There's no buffing, no polishing, no buffers involved, no pads. All you need is this amazing product right here. Car Candy Ceramic Coating Liquid Spray Bottle. You just put a spray on it, spray it, microfiber towel, and that's all you need. You don't need to wax this. Look at that. No buffing, no waxing. You can take this baby to the bank. Bank it, bank it, bank it. For all you guys out there making money, detailing cars for a living, look at the shine on those headlights. The glass. Crystal, look at that. This is original factory paint. Original factory paint, guys. Original factory paint. Come get it. We got it. Liquid. Spray it on, wipe it down. That's all you need. 6-month protection. Yes, sir. These are the products that we use. SM-Arnold Speed Surface Prep. It's a very nice towel. It's a clay towel, actually. It's reusable over and over and over. We got a Car Candy Clear Ice Medium Gloss Tire Shine. Amazing product, amazing, good seller. A lot of people like it. Long lasting, awesome, awesome. Microfiber towel, standard. And our very first time using Car Candy Candy Coat Ceramic Coating. Wow, very impressed. Very, very impressed. I'll show you now in a little bit what we did to our company vehicle with 200,000 miles with factory paint, believe it or not.